Welcome back, welcome back. Ooh, it's cold out here today. Message for the ladies. I know men, we talk a lot of stuff, But I'm walking to work and an old lady need to get over because nobody did that. So she had to go over a hard way that other people just stepped over and made a little path, but it's icy out. So she sees me. She goes, mira, mira. And she points at the snow. So I already knew what it was because I look over and I see the cab. She's trying to get in the cab. She don't want to, break her hip or something. So as I do my gentleman thing, as I do my Lord thing, visit the widows and the homeless, I get over the ice and she starts crying, and I can see that she wasn't crying like, oh, you're an angel. No, she was crying like, I'm so embarrassed. Can't even get over a fucking ice, a little bit of ice, a little snow. And immediately I said, don't cry, don't cry. And she says, it's just, and I said, don't worry, God sent me here today. I said, God sent me here to make sure you get over that. Don't worry about that. You don't need to cry. Just go about your day, go do your laundry. Moral of the story is, men and women, men were created to, be there for you. You were created to be there for us. The world is getting harder and harder, and it's actually not even really changing too much if you really pay attention. People are doing things that make their life hard. So, without any male ego, find a decent man if you can. You're gonna play She-Ra and all of this fucking He-Man woman until you get older and face what every woman in the world faced before you, being alone in this world. And it's not fun. One slip, and it's like growing up watching people and noticing the growing number of women that are by themselves and they're old now. All I see is old women walking around, going shopping together, and when you need someone to pick things up and put them down. I know you don't like us too much, but we're all you got. Just like we can't go to the third species. No, there's just women. You're all we got. Being an old man by yourself is fucking horrible. We're stupid and forgetful. We have all that strength, but we have the fucking will to, I'm strong, I'm not going to take my pills. Your wife is the one that says, I love you and you better take those pills. I need you around. Stop playing with me. And then we go, oh yeah, I forgot. I got to stay healthy for my family. You get it? For some of you, you still have a chance. Come home. It's not going to be fun. It's not going to be easy. Sound the horns. But literally, that shit brought a tear to my eyes as I walk away. I didn't even get to relish in my little, usually yeah, see, the Lord always puts you're always in the right place at the right time to help somebody. See, that's how you know what the Lord wanted you to fucking do in life, because you're there at the moment for that. help the widows and the homeless. And I'm telling you, ladies, that ego shit, that I don't need a man when I really do, and I always keep asking men for help. When you get too old and you don't have any fucking choice, or you gotta put your legs in danger, your hips, your back, your life, you know, like, it's a joke. It's a sick joke. Like, that's the second grandmother. A couple of days ago when it first stormed, a fucking old lady fell on her stairs, and another old lady, I guess was her friend or her caretaker, and she couldn't even get her to fuck up. If I didn't have to go get a gallon of water, I don't know how long that old lady was out there scrambling for life. No one else picked her up. I'm sure people drove by. You know? So, I don't know. If not, just stay in shape and, you know, I don't know. Because as a man, I hate the cold. I can slip and break a hip just like you can, right? You know what I'm saying? And helping you as I get older and older becomes more dangerous for me. You know? Anyway, if no one told you today I love you, even for all your mistakes, I love you because you're still alive and have a chance to make up for those mistakes. All love, all praise to the Most High.